Understanding liquefaction, a phenomenon explained. Hello, learners around the world. Today, we're diving into an interesting phenomenon called liquefaction. This term may sound a bit complex, but we're here to break it down for you. Stay tuned as we explore what liquefaction is, where you can see it, and why it's important to understand. Liquefaction is a process where solid materials, such as soil, suddenly behave like a liquid. Imagine holding a cup of sand and it suddenly starts flowing like water. That's liquefaction in action. This can happen during events like earthquakes, where the intense shaking increases the water pressure in the ground and causes the soil particles to lose contact with each other, making them flow apart. But how exactly does solid ground turn into a liquid? It all comes down to pressure and water. When water-saturated soil is shaken, the space between the soil particles collapses, and water pressure goes up rapidly. This makes the soil particles float, and as they lose touch, the strength of the soil decreases, and it starts to flow. The effects of liquefaction can be dramatic and devastating. Buildings, roads, and bridges can sink or collapse as the solid foundation turns into a liquid. Understanding liquefaction is crucial, especially in areas prone to earthquakes. It helps in designing structures that can withstand such events and in planning for disaster management. Liquefaction is most common in areas with loose, waterlogged soils, such as river valleys or coastal regions. Earthquake-prone countries like Japan and New Zealand have witnessed the significant impacts of liquefaction, making it a key factor in their urban planning and construction codes. That's a wrap on liquefaction. We hope this video has shed some light on this fascinating yet powerful process. Remember, liquefaction shows us that sometimes solid ground isn't as solid as we think. Until our next lesson, keep exploring and stay curious.